Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoha and today I welcome you to another episode of Cooking with Zoha. So today I'm gonna make instant raw mango pickle. It's a very quick and simple recipe. I love to make it all the time. We only need few ingredients to make this recipe. We need 1 bowl of finely chopped raw mango, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of sunflower refined oil. Let's get started. So now we'll combine all the ingredients into a mixing bowl. So now we'll first add raw mango, chili powder, salt as per taste, and oil. So let's start mixing. We need to mix well until well combined. This goes very well with dal rice, sabzis and pulaos. Making our instant raw mango pickle. It's very simple. Do try and leave a comment below. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my videos, smash that like button, and I'll see you the next time.